Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about some formula of trigonometric ratio of compound angle or addition and subtraction formulas. First formula, sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, sum of two angle. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. When addition A plus B plus, so this is plus sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And second formula, sin A minus B. So sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. And third formula, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this is plus, so this is minus, get minus. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So fourth, cos A minus B is equal to cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So this is formula of cos A minus B. And fifth, tan A plus B, sum of two angle. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Also difference of two angle, subtraction of two angle, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Similarly, 6, cot A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. Also subtraction of two angle A minus B, and cot A minus B is equal to cot A into cot B plus 1 upon cot A minus cot B. And also seventh, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin A plus B, sin sum of two angle, difference of two angles. So sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin A square minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B. And cos A plus B, cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. Also cos square B minus sin square A. Transformation of a product into sum or difference of sine or cosine. Sine or cosine. First formula, 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A into cos B is equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. 2 sine A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B, sum of two angle, and plus sin A minus B. And second, 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. And 2 cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B and plus cos A minus B. And fourth, 2 sin A sin B, sin A sin B, 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. and sin C plus sin D is equal to sum of two ratio sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Also sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. And seventh, cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. And also cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin D minus C upon 2. यानी difference of cosine angle cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin D angle D minus C upon 2. Trigonometric ratio of multiple and submultiple angle. Multiple angle sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. And second formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Also sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And second formula cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Sin cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. And also formula cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And third formula cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. And cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So this cos 2 theta formula 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 formula of cos 2 theta. Third part tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. And also fourth cos sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. And also same way cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. And cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos e power q theta minus 3 cos theta. And 6 tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan की power 3 theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. And trigonometry ratio of submultiple angles. So half angle formula sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. And also sin A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 upon 1 plus tan square A by 2. And second cos A is equal to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. And also cos A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. And also cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. And cos A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 upon 1 plus tan square A by 2. And sin value of sin 18 is equal to cos 72 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Same way, sin cos 36 degree is equal to sin 54 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 upon 4. These formula you can learn by heart. You can solve some question of trigonometry. So that's all.